everyone, we are going for vacation. Hi. Ruhi, hi. We are going for a 2-day vacation and we are going to Minneapolis. So I'll take you along hopefully. See you.
जैकेट किस लिए रखते हैं अजीम?
गाड़ी के अंदर यहाँ पे
गाड़ी के अंदर तो गर्मी रहेगा, हीटर चला रहे हो गाड़ी में तो इतना अकल नहीं है कि गाड़ी में तो हीटर चल रहा है।
नहीं, गाड़ी में बैठा है नमी।
So we just stopped at the gas station to fill up our tank before we hit the highway. So यहाँ है रूही, अजीम भाई,
यही होगा देखिए।
एंड अहमद नहीं जा रहे हम लोग के साथ में, ही इज बिजी। अम्मी जान एज यूजुअल टीनेजर का तरह फोन में है।
क्या करेंगे?
अजीम भाई ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, हम लोग सबका लाइफ अजीम भाई का हाथ में अभी। और यहाँ रूही and here's a beautiful view with snow and I hope you guys will like it. And this is a lake which is completely frozen and became ice, and then on top of it is the snow, and it looks so beautiful because the snow looks just so flawless. There's no marks, there's no spot. It looks like white land, trust me. So I tried to take picture of the horses, but I was too far, and every time I was pulling out my camera I was getting very late. Anyways, so here we stopped at the Wisconsin Dells and we wanted to grab some food. So we are deciding we want it from Noodles Company, Burger King, or McDonald's or Starbucks. We took coffee from Starbucks and burger from Burger King, and we went ahead with our trip. And then here we are stopping again. This is another rest area at Wisconsin, and we just want to stretch ourselves, freshen up, and then take 5 minutes break, and then we will be getting on the highway again. So before we hit the road, we actually wanted to see if there is a good halal restaurant in Minneapolis where we were going, and we wanted to put the location right now because we will be reaching there by 10 o'clock, and mostly these days due to COVID the restaurants are closing very soon. So I put it on my TikTok just to ask question, and on that note, you can follow me on TikTok, and I might change my name later, but right now it's Brown Girls Diaries. I'm gonna mention it on my description box. Okay, so we are almost here. I think we are in St. Paul's. This is the twin cities. St. Paul's and Minneapolis are very close to each other, and they both have their own downtown, and I believe this is St. Paul's downtown that I'm seeing right now. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is what I think, and it looks nice actually. It is a little bit like Chicago. I just think like Chicago has a lot more buildings, so it looks much better. Okay, so we have reached the restaurant, and I think the name of the restaurant is India Palace, and I felt like everyone there was very rude except the lady who was serving us, but other than that everyone was very rude. waiting for the food. We all are hungry and waiting for the food.
Missing him.
Are you missing Ahmed?
Yes, I am missing Ahmed. Ahmed is not here, but we are contacting him again and again. So we're calling him and talking to him, but we're missing him. We're done ending with tea. Everyone is happy now after eating food.
खाना खा करके हो गया बस.
Also, the food was not bad. It was just different from Chicago. So we finally booked our hotel and we went to another hotel and wasted our 1 hour there. And now we finally booked this one. This is the DoubleTree Hotel by Hilton. And Azim Bhai is going downstairs because their key is not working for their room. And I'm just gonna give you a small quick tour of our room because everyone was waiting outside for me to film and then they could enter. So they just all went out and it's actually 3:30 at night. So I know they have to sleep. Anyways, let's start it. So here is the closet and this is behind the door and it's a good sized closet with some hangers, laundry bags, and I love when the hotel give you the iron board with in the room because I just don't like calling them and then asking them to do it because I want to do it by myself. Anyways, the wallpaper is also very nice, very luxurious, and here is the bathroom. And I really like the bathroom because it was very nice, clean and spacious. Some of the bathrooms are really like, some of the hotels has bathrooms which is like not spacious at all or not really kind of clean, which really makes me uncomfortable. But yeah, this one was nice. And although we were just staying there for a night because we have to leave tomorrow morning at around 10 o'clock, I just want a comfortable place to sleep and use the washroom and all. And yeah, so here they give the hair dryer also, and this mirror is so nice. I absolutely love this mirror. The light was really good. And here is a full length mirror, which is also a good thing, and I really like this thing about the hotel, so that you can see yourself before leaving for the day, when you're dressed up and all. And here we have the 2 queen size bed. Here is the working desk, and here we are on the 3rd floor, so I'm just going to show you how it looks outside. You won't be able to see much, but this is more like there's no scenic view, to be honest, because it's by the highway. I'm just going to show you in the morning. And here they gave us 2 bottles of water, and this is the coffee station area. They gave us some coffee. We're not going to use anything at all because we have to get up in the morning, get ready and leave. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna call everyone now because they are all waiting outside. So here they are. उनका रूम का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. रूम तो अच्छा है ना. Nice shampoo, conditioner and body lotion, and this is something very nice. I like the towel also. I have the hair dryer here, and I like this small mirror. This is good when you are traveling. I'm gonna go to bed now, and I will see you guys in part 2, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.